morning, students. Today's concept is solution for the given system of linear equations by Cramer's rule or determinant method. First of all, what's a linear equation? Linear equation means the equation highest power of the variable is equal to 1. Okay. For example, say I'm taking a linear equation in one variable, x is equal to 2. What's the highest power of the x here? X power is equal to 1, therefore it's a linear equation. That means graph of that equation is a straight line, then that types of equations are called linear equations. Suppose consider linear equation in two variables, x plus y is equal to 3. Now see, highest power of x is 1, highest power of y also is equal to 1. Variable as the highest power is equal to 1, we called it as linear equations. Then what's the meaning of system of linear equations? For example, see, x plus y is equal to 3 and x plus y is equal to 10. Two linear equations are given. Okay. Together, these two linear equations, we called it as system of linear equations. Then solution for the system of linear equations. What's the meaning of solution for a linear equation? Suppose see, x plus y is equal to 3. Suppose you are taking x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 2 plus y is equal to 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Solution of a linear equation means values of that variables that satisfies the equation. By giving values to x and y, you have to get RHS value. If RHS is equal to RHS, then that x value and y value are called solution for the given linear equations. When two equations are given, you can use elimination method or substitution method. Okay, we studied so many methods to find solutions. Okay, again you are going to find solution for such systems by using determinant method or Cramer's rule. The mathematician Cramer's introduced this rule, so we called it as Cramer's rule. In the examination, you will get 1 2 mark or 3 mark question from this section. They may give solve by determinant method or solve by Cramer's rule. Okay, you need to apply the same method. I am considering system of linear equations in two variables. Okay, for example, see, a1x plus b1y equal to d1. It's a one linear equation. Then second one, a2x plus b2y is equal to d2. Okay, it's a one linear equation. The second linear equation, together we called it a system of linear equations. Then to find x and y values, take one determinant value delta. It's obtained by, in the column 1, write the coefficients of x. What's the coefficient of x? a1 and a2. In second column C2, write the coefficient of y. You will get b1 and b2. Okay, it's a delta value. Okay, you know how to calculate determinant value. Product of diagonal entries minus product of non-diagonal entries. Okay, in the next step, take delta 1. Okay, delta 1. Again see, column 1 and column 2 is there. In the see delta value, you are taking column 1 as coefficients of x. Okay, delta 1 is obtained by replacing column 1 entries by constant terms. That means here a1 coefficient of x, a2 coefficient of x. You need to remove coefficient of x and replace it by constants d1 and d2. So delta 1 is obtained by see d1, d2. Actually in determinant delta value, it has coefficients of x value. But delta 1, you are replacing that coefficient of x by constants, right hand side d1, d2. Then C2 remains same, b1 and b2. Okay. Calculate delta 1 value, product of diagonal entries minus product of non-diagonal entries. Similarly, take delta 2, that is obtained by, here see C1, C2 is there. Now, consider coefficient of x as same, a1, a2. Replace coefficient of y by constant terms d1, d2. That means in the second column you need to write d1, d2. Okay. Now again calculate determinant value, product of diagonal entry minus product of non-diagonal entry. Then x value is given by delta 1 this determinant value by delta. Y value is given by delta 2 divided by delta. Okay. By substituting, you will get x value and y value. To verify this x and y value, substitute x and y value in any one equation. That time we will get LHS equal to RHS. Once again see, one system of linear equation given. First write determinant or delta, that is C1 in the column 1 write coefficients of x, column 2 write coefficients of y. Next find one more value, that is delta 1. Delta 1 is obtained by replacing column 1 with the constant terms d1, d2. d1, d2, column 2 entries remain same, that is coefficient of y. Find one more value delta 2, that is obtained by replacing column 2, that means coefficients of y by d1 and d2. So delta 2 is a1, a2, coefficient of x, c1 remains same. You need to change c2, that is d1, d2. Then x value is given by delta 1 by delta and y value is given by delta 2 by delta. The next step, how to solve system of linear equations with three variables. Okay, using determinant method. Variables means x, y and z will come. Okay, consider system of linear equations. See, a1x plus b1y plus c1z. See, third variable equal to d1. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. Then third equation, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. Now see, we called it a system of linear equation because three linear equations there. First procedure is write delta value. Delta is equal to first column here c1, a1, a2, a3, coefficient of x. Second column delta, see, second column coefficient of y, b1, b2, b3. Third column coefficient of z, that is c1, c2 and c3. Okay. See, it's a determinant of order 3. Now how to calculate the determinant? Alternative plus minus plus, then cancel the corresponding row and columns, you will get a determinant. Next, delta 1. Okay, to write delta 1, replace column 1 by constants d1, d2, d3. So here I'll write d1, d2, d3. That means you need to change the coefficients of x by constants from d1, d2, d3. Y coefficients b1, b2, b3. Coefficient of z c1, c2, c3 remains the same. Okay, then find the determinant value. Then delta 2 value similar to delta 1 value. Delta 2, write the coefficient of x a1, a2, a3. Then replace coefficient of y by d1, d2, d3. Here c1, c2, c3 remains same. Then delta 3 similar to delta 2. Write coefficient of x in column 1, that is a1, a2, a3. Coefficient of y in column 2, b1, b2, b3. Replace the coefficient of z by constant d1, d2 and d3. Okay. Now x value is given by delta 1 by delta, this delta. Y value is given by delta 2 divided by delta, and z value is given by delta 3 divided by delta. This is how to solve system of linear equations by Cramer's rule or determinant method. Okay, now I will solve some problems related to Cramer's rule. See the first problem, solve by Cramer's rule or determinant method. 5x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0. 7x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. First you need to convert it into system of linear equations. See, only two variables there, right? X and y. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 3. 7x plus 5y is equal to 9. The next step, you need to calculate delta value. Delta value is, what's the coefficient of x? 5, 7. What's the coefficient of y? 7, 5. Okay. Calculate the determinant value. 5 5s are 25 minus 49. It's equal to minus 24. In the next step, calculate delta 1 value. Delta 1 is obtained by replacing coefficients of x with the constant terms 3 and 9. 3, 9. Write the coefficient of y same, that is 7, 5. Okay. Then 5 3s are 15 minus 7 9s are 63. Its value is equal to minus 48. Okay. Then delta 2 is obtained by replacing column 2 with the constant terms. So 5, 7 remains the same. Then what's the constant terms? 3, 9. Okay. It's equal to 45 minus 21. Its value is equal to plus 24. Okay. Now see, delta value is there, delta 1 value is there, delta 2 value is there. By the formula, x is equal to delta 1 by delta. What is delta 1? Delta 1 is minus 48 by delta value is minus 24. Its value is equal to plus 2. What is y value? Y value is equal to delta 2 by delta. What is delta 2 value? Delta 2 value is 24 by delta value is minus 24. Its value is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x value is equal to 2 and y value is equal to minus 1. Okay. This is the solution for the given system of linear equations. See the next question. 2x plus 3y equal to 11, x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. First, consider system of linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and x minus y equal to 3, shifting minus 3 to RHS. Then delta value is equal to, what's the coefficient of x? 2 and 1. Then coefficient of y, that's equal to 3 and minus 1 is equal to, calculate the determinant value, minus 2 minus 3, its value is equal to minus 5. Then delta 1 is equal to, what's the procedure? Replace column 1 with the constant terms 11 and 3. What's the coefficient of y? 3 minus 1. Calculate minus 11 minus 9, right? Its value is equal to minus 20. Next, delta 2 value. How to get delta 2 value? You need to write same coefficient of x 2, 1. But replace coefficient of y with the constant term 11 and 3. It's equal to 6. 3 2 is 6 minus 11. It's equal to minus 5. Then calculate x and y value. Use the formula. What is x? X value is equal to delta 1 by delta. What is delta 1? Minus 20 divided by minus 5. It's equal to plus 4. What is y value? Y value is delta 2 divided by delta. What is delta 2 value? See here, minus 5 divided by, what is delta value? Minus 5. Its value is equal to 1. Therefore, you can write x is equal to 4 and y value is equal to 1. This is the solution for the given system of linear equations. See the next question. 3x plus 2y equal to 8. 4x minus 3y equal to 5. First find delta value. Delta 3, 4, coefficient of x in the column 1, coefficient of y in the second column. Calculate the determinant value. Minus 9 minus 8. It's equal to minus 17. And then delta 1, it is obtained by replacing coefficient of x by constant terms. What's the constant term? 8 to 5. Okay. Then you need to write the coefficient of y same. It's equal to, calculate minus 24 minus 10. Its value is equal to minus 34. Then delta 2 value. Delta 2 value is obtained by replacing coefficient of y in the column 2. So 3, 4 remains the same. Then what's the constant term? 8, 5 in the second column. It's equal to 15 minus 32. Its value is equal to minus 17. Okay. Now x value is equal to delta 1 by delta. What is delta 1 value? Minus 34 by delta minus 17. Its value is equal to plus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. What is y value? Y value is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. What is delta 2? Delta 2 is minus 17 by delta. Delta value is again minus 17. Minus 17 minus 17, its value equal to 1. Therefore, x value is equal to 2 and y value is equal to 1 is the solution for the given system of linear equations. See the next question. 2x plus y equal to 1, x minus 3y equal to 4. First linear equation is 2x plus y equal to 1. Second linear equation is x minus 3y equal to 4. First delta value, in the column 1 write coefficients of x 2 and 1. Column 2 write the coefficient of y 1 and minus 3. Find the determinant value minus 6 minus 1. It's equal to minus 7. 1 value, it's equal to replace column 1 with constant term 1 and 4. Column 2 remains same. It's equal to minus 3 minus 4. Its value again equal to minus 7. Then delta 2 value, it is obtained by replacing column 2 entries with constant terms. So coefficient of x remains same 2 and 1. What's the constant terms? 1 and 4. It's equal to 8 minus 1. It's equal to 7. Then by the formula, x is equal to delta 1 by delta. What is delta 1? Delta 1 value is minus 7. Minus 7 divided by minus 7 equal to 1. Y value, it's equal to delta 2 divided by delta. It's equal to 7 by minus 7. It's equal to minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 is the solution for the given system of linear equations. See the next question. X plus y plus z equal to 7. 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 17. 4x plus 9y plus z equal to 37. System of linear equations in 3 variables are given. You can clearly see x, y, z. 3 variables are there. Okay. First, write delta is equal to variables of x in column 1, that is 1, 2, 4. Variables of y in column 2, 1, 3, 9. And variables of z in column 3, 1, 2, 1. It's equal to calculate the determinant value plus minus plus 1 into 3 minus 18. Then minus 1 into 2 minus 8. Then plus 1 into, again delete the first row and third column, 18 minus 12. 18 minus product of diagonal entries, 9 2 is 18, minus product of non-diagonal entry, 4 3 is 12. Okay, simplify this one. This is equal to 18 minus 3, it's equal to minus 15. 2 minus 8, it's equal to minus 6 into minus 1, it's plus 6. And 18 minus 12 is 6, so it's again plus 6. It's equal to, see, 12 minus 15, its value is equal to minus 3. Therefore, delta value is equal to minus 3. The next step, you need to calculate delta 1. Delta 1 means you need to replace column 1. That means coefficients of x with the constants 7, 17, 37. Then coefficient of y in the second column remains same, 1, 3, 9. Coefficient of z 1, 2, 1. Calculate the determinant value. 7 into, put alternative plus minus plus, 7 into 3 minus 18. Then minus 1 into, delete the second column and first row, 17 minus 37 into 2, it's equal to 7 2 is 14, 74. Then plus 1 into delete the third column and first row. 17 into 9, 153, minus 37 into 3, it's equal to 111. Okay, then simplify this one, minus 6. Delta 2 is equal to, coefficients of x remain same, 1, 2 and 4. Second column, okay, need to replace coefficients of y by the constant terms, 7, 17 and 37. And third column, coefficients of z remain same, 1, 2 and last entry again it's equal to 1. Calculate the determinant value, plus minus plus 1 into 17 minus 37 into 2, 7 2 is a 14, 2 3 is a, it's equal to 74. Then minus 7 into, delete the second column and the first row, 2 minus 8. Then one more entry, plus 1 into, simplify this one, delete the first row and the third column, 37 into 2, it's equal to 74, minus 17 into 4. Simplify, here you will get minus 9. Delta 3 is equal to, coefficients of x remain same, 1, 2 and 4. Coefficients of y, 1, 3, 9. In the third column, coefficients of z is there. You need to replace that coefficients of z by constant terms, 7, 17 and 37. Again calculate the determinant value, is equal to, plus minus plus 1 into 37 into 3, 7 3 is a 21, 2, 3 3 is a 9, 11, 111, minus 17 into 9, 153. Then second entry, see, minus 1 into, delete the second column and the first row, 37 into 2, it's equal to 74, minus 17 into 4, 68. Simplifying this, you will get minus 6. Okay, now use the formula, x value is equal to delta 1 divided by delta. What is delta 1? Delta 1 value is equal to minus 6 divided by delta value, again it is equal to minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled, 6 by 3, it's equal to 2. Y value is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. Delta 2 value is there. Delta 2 is equal to minus 9 divided by delta is minus 3. Again minus minus get cancels. 9 by 3, it's equal to 3. And z value is given by delta 3 divided by delta. Delta 3 value is again minus 6 divided by delta value is equal to minus 3. Can cancel minus minus, 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, x value is equal to 2, y value is equal to 3 and z value is equal to 2. These are the solution for the given system of linear equations. See the next problem. System of linear equations in 3 variables given. First, write delta value is equal to coefficients of x. Third linear equation, coefficient of x is not given. That means coefficient of x is equal to 0. Coefficients of y, 5, 7, 1 and coefficients of z is equal to 1 and minus 6 and plus 2 is given. Calculate the determinant value. It's equal to plus 2 into 14 minus 6 into 1 minus 6. Already 1 minus in formula, so here you will get plus 6. Then minus 5 into, delete the second column and the first row, 2, 0 into minus 6 is equal to 0. Then plus 1 into, delete the third column and the first row, it's equal to 1, minus 7 into 0 is equal to 0. Simplify, equal to 31. Okay. Next, calculate the delta 1 value. Delta 1 is equal to, replace coefficients of x by the constant terms, minus 1, minus 18 and 3. Coefficients of y, 5, 7, 1 and coefficients of z, 1, minus 6, 2. Again calculate the determinant value, minus 1 into plus minus plus, minus 1 into 14, minus 6 into 1 minus 6, 1 minus by the formula, so it's equal to plus 6. Then minus 5 into minus 5 into, delete the second column and the first row, minus 18 into 2 minus 36, minus 6 into 3 minus 18, one more minus from the formula, therefore it's equal to plus 18. Then plus 1 into, delete the third column and the first row, minus 18 into 1 is minus 18, minus 7 into 3 it's equal to 21. Again simplifying, here you will get 31. Delta 1 value is equal to 31. Next delta 2 value, delta 2 is equal to, replace coefficients of y by the constant terms. So 2, 1, 0, first column, coefficients of y is replaced by the constants, minus 1, minus 18, 3, and coefficients of z remain same, that is 1, minus 6 and 2. Calculate the determinant value, plus minus plus 2 into minus 18 into 2 minus 36, minus 6 into 3 minus 18, by formula one more minus, it's equal to plus 18. Minus into minus, here you will get plus 1 into, delete the second column and the first row, 2 into 1 is equal to plus 2, minus 6 into 0 is equal to minus 0, and plus 1 into, here plus 1 into, delete the third column and the first row, so here you will get 3 into 1 is equal to 3, minus 18 into 0 is equal to 0. Simplify this one, here again you will get 31. Next delta 3. Delta 3 is equal to, x value is 210, coefficients of y 5, 7, 1, and coefficient of z is replaced by minus 1, minus 18 and 3. Find the determinant value, it's equal to, put alternative plus minus plus, 2 into 21 minus 18 is there, but here one more minus, so it's equal to plus 18. Product of diagonal entry is 21, minus by the formula, minus 18 into 1 minus 18, minus into minus plus 18. Then minus 5 into, delete the second column and the first row, 3 into 1 is 3, then 0 into minus 18, it's equal to 0. Then plus 1 into, delete the third column and the first row, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 7 into 0 is equal to 0. Simplify, here you will get 62. Now use the formula, x value is equal to delta 1 by delta, it's equal to, delta 1 value is 31, divided by delta value is again 31, it's equal to 1. Y value is equal to delta 2 divided by delta, it's equal to 31 divided by 31, again y value is 1. Then z value is equal to delta 3 divided by delta. Delta 3 value is equal to 62 divided by delta value is equal to 31, it's equal to 2. Therefore, x value equal to 1, y value is equal to 1 and z value is equal to 2. These are the solutions for the given system of linear equations. These are some important questions related to Cramer's rule or solution for the system of linear equations by determinant method. Thank you.